In front of me is VIVO X200 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on the icon of it at the top. Select small window and enjoy using your app in this data window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To minimize it, use this icon of a line at the top left corner and tap on the bubble to access it again. To use your app in full screen view, click on this icon, also at the top left corner. And to close it completely, click on this X on the right. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!